name is Johnny, and this is my puppy, Xena.
When Johnny was less than 2, something wasn't quite right. We would take him to the doctor, and he wasn't eating the way he should. He wasn't sleeping the way he should. Does it feel good?
Hey.
What? The TV was on. It was our nightly news here in Atlanta. And this horrifying photo of Xena, actually, just stopped me in my tracks and took my breath away.
She literally was skin over bones. Her body had already started shutting down. Her extremities were very cold.
We had really all been talking about a Labrador Retriever, and I had fallen in love with the lab.
I said no at first. I didn't want to bring that dog into my family and expose my son with autism to a pit bull.
Are you ready to go?
She's ready. She has lots of teeth.
She does have lots of teeth. I was in tears.
You got a new puppy? Found a new place? You got it from the news?
It was giggling and laughter, and I'm like, this is unbelievable.
Good girl.
If it weren't for Xena, none of this would be taking place.
We're looking at the wrong end of the leash. I believe that a pit bull or any dog, is a product of their environment. You treat them with kindness and love, and they're just gonna give it right back to you. And that's what she's done.
I think we make a pretty perfect team.
Something there? Where is it? We got into truffle hunting. I lived in Italy for a short time when I was in university at college. Kind of learned about it there, and then I moved back to Pacific Northwest, and I learned that we had truffles here. And then we just started going out. Yeah. Oh, okay. 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 She'll start screaming at you because she's like ready to go hunting, and you're not doing it fast enough. She really, really likes it. Lolo in particular just really likes the act of searching. So coming out here and doing this is one of her favorite games to play. Lolo, is there something here? Can you show me? Oh, wow, you did find it. Good girl. So Lolo has found one of our native black truffles. She's very excited. So, and it smells nice, so this is not bad. Pigs, generally when they find it, will root around in the soil and it causes a lot of destruction. We're very conscious when we go truffle hunting. It should never look like we've been there. You know, being good stewards of the land is really kind of paramount for us. To get to where Lolo is takes probably about at least a year to get really, really, really solid. There's a lot that goes into finding these little culinary nuggets. We do it because we love it.
I've been going through therapy since 2015, and that internal struggle is still there. Being able to go outside and then remain safe while I'm out and then making it back is something that I need to do.
Ricochet works a lot with veterans with PTSD. She's alert to their anxiety, their triggers, pain. She tries to protect them from going into environments that would increase their anxiety. Ready? Let's go.
Let's go.
Dogs are hypervigilant by nature, so they're aware of everything that's going on in their environment. They hear it, they see it, they smell it, and if a person watches the dog instead of having to watch 5 million things happening around them, the dog will tell them when there's a threat. So it takes a lot of pressure off the individual if they can just pay attention to the dog. You feel better up here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if we try to walk back to the beach, let's see if she'll go. Come on, Ricky. Come on, Ricky. Come on. Come on, come on. Let's go. She doesn't want to let you.
I don't even know how else to put it. She has intuition. She was able to decipher what was going on and get me to a calmer state. I think I'll be able to go to sleep tonight. I think I'll be able to go to sleep.